Hi guys, please read this disclaimer before we start the video. This disclaimer is also available below this video's description, and the coins that I've discussed in this video would be available right at the end of this video. So there are videos for those coins. Do watch them. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, we're going to talk about a coin called Stader SD. There are quite a few things that I'm going to discuss in this video tonight. I'm going to talk about Stader's overview, including its tokenomics. I'm going to give you information where Stader is traded on. I'm going to provide you some updates regarding Stader and how it would impact Stader. I'm going to provide you information on the total value locked on Stader and compare it with other DeFi projects because Stader is a DeFi coin. Then we're going to compare the market cap of Stader with other DeFi projects. And then we're going to discuss about a meme coin, a meme platform that has been developed by Stader, which give insights about different meme coins with the help of AI. So this is going to be quite an informative video. And last but not the least, I'm also going to give you the market sentiments on Stader as of now. So if all of this sounds interesting to you, please hit the like button so that I can distribute this video to quite a few audiences. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay. Before we move ahead, guys, I would like to let you know that the information that is provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes. This is not a financial advice by any means. If you need a financial advice, please consult a financial advisor who can guide you through the process. Investing in cryptocurrencies is risky as cryptocurrencies are volatile when it comes to price. And you may lose all your investment if you invest. So please read the disclaimer below this video. Invest wisely, stay safe and secure. Let's move on, guys. One last thing that I would like to let you know that I also run an Airdrop Venture community where we discuss about different airdrops and different earning opportunities. As you can see, there has been a recent airdrop that we have provided information about, like Somnia. There was another airdrop that we gave information about called Public AI. And there are quite a few, so it keeps on coming. The information keeps on flowing through this channel. Um, and we also give information about liquidation events. We give information about ETF flows. So it keeps you up to date about all your crypto needs. But majorly, this channel is for airdrop. So if that is something that excites you, please join this channel. I would add the link below this video's description so that it would be easier for you to join. Okay, now let's get moving, guys, with today's video. So Stader, as you can see here, has quite a few backers, funders and backers, which are really, really strong. So if I expand this, and by the way, the information that I'm providing you here is through a website called CryptoRank. Yeah. And you can find this information even on Stader's official website, which I would show you in a minute. So here you can see Stader has been backed by Pantera Capital. It has been backed by Coinbase Ventures. Sandeep is also backing this project, okay, who is the head of Matic. Solana Ventures is backing this project. So quite a few investors which are there in the crypto space and have a good name to them are actually backing this project, right? Now, let's quickly go and check the tokenomics of this coin. Yeah. So the market cap of this coin is really tiny, guys, when it comes to DeFi projects. If you look at a market cap of 40.49 million, it is nothing. Okay, the price is at 75 cents. Currently, edging towards 76 cents, but the market cap in comparison is minimal. Okay, and this is why it is really important to understand the tokenomics, right? Because if you look at the circulating supply of Stader, it has only got 53.28 million coins in the market that you can buy. Okay, even the total supply of Stader is very low, having a cap of only 120 million coins, right? The FDV is low as well. And if you look at the supply and demand ratio in the market, it is at 17.93%. So this gives you an idea whether there would be a demand for this coin in the future. But you would have to monitor a coin for more than 24 hours because the information that you get on coin market cap is just for a duration of 24 hours. So if you need like a week information or a month information, unfortunately, that is not available on CoinMarketCap. So you would have to probably create like an Excel sheet to track that information and then decide whether this is like a good investment opportunity or not, right? So now I have explained to you why Stader seems like a good investment here, according to me. Okay. Again, not a financial advice. So I feel because of its low market cap and its low circulating supply, yeah, the chances for Stader to do well is quite high. Okay. And there is one more reason to it. Because if I look at the markets, Stader is available on major exchanges. Okay. So it is available on Coinbase, it is available on Mexi, Binance Alpha, Gate, HTX, crypto.com, okay, and quite a few exchanges there. There are like close to 5 pages of exchanges, okay. Now, I'm not going to go through them all. You can find this information on CoinMarketCap, but the point here is that if there is an issue with a particular exchange during a bull cycle, okay, you can trade Stater in other exchanges, okay, without any hassles because it is really important that when an exchange goes down, right, you should be able to trade that coin that you were planning to trade on that particular exchange on other exchanges, right? Because if a coin is only available in few exchanges, and let's say the exchanges are down during the peak of the bull cycle, you would not be able to sell your coin and you would be holding it, okay, for the next cycles. So which should not be a problem with Stata because its total supply is low. So there would not be any massive issues holding this coin multi-cycle as this is multi-chain. Okay, but I'm just giving you uh, a suggestion here, right? Assuming that you would like to sell your coins in the cycle, so if that is the case, then obviously you would need multiple exchanges that coin is tradable on, right? So Stater does fulfill that criteria, right? Now, let's compare, since Stader is a DeFi coin, keep an eye on the circulating supply and keep an eye on the market cap, okay? Let's compare it with other DeFi projects and see where can Stader get to. So first off, I would like to start with Aero, okay? Uh, Aero, Aerodrome Finance. Now, if you look at this coin, the price seems to be quite high, okay? It is at $1.36. And this is what happens when you invest in a coin, which is shielded by a lot of influencers. They try to create this hype, okay, on a coin, which is not probably worth it. And they try to get a lot of investors in so that they can profit from getting in early. So Aerodrome, if you look at the market cap, now you could probably say, you're also making a coin, you're also making a video on Stader, but look at this, guys. Okay, the all-time low of Stader is at 218%. Okay, let me just move to Aerodrome Finance. Look at the all-time low of Stader. Okay, sorry, Aerodrome. Look at the all-time low of Aerodrome. Look at the percentage of increments it has already done. All right. So where do you think the maximum profit lies, here or here? I would leave that thought to you because Stader has barely done anything in the market as of now, right? Wherein Aerodrome has already reached where it had to reach, probably. It might go up still, all right? But I'm just giving you a perception where the coins are, okay? So coming back to Aerodrome, um, you can see here the market cap is high. It's at 1.2 billion as compared to SD, which was nearly around 40 million, right? Look at the circulating supply. It's 880 million, right? SD was close to 53 million. So that is like 14 times more tokens in the market. The total supply is also higher as compared to SD, almost 6 times higher than SD, right? So this is like an overvalued coin to me. It might still do well. I'm not saying that the coin is bad. The coin is good, and it is also available in major exchanges, just like SD. But the point here is the multipliers. Okay, if you're investing, you look at return to investment (ROI). Right. If your returns aren't great on your investment, you're not going to invest, right? I mean, I would not invest. I don't know about you, but I would specifically not invest in such projects, right? So the multipliers are great in terms of Stader, okay? And the coins in circulation in the market that is available for SD screams scarcity, yeah? Now, let's look at more information on this. So we keep this open. Um, let's compare DeFi Llama for total value locked, Stader and Aerodrome. So Stader, there we go. Okay. So the total value locked of Stader is 887 million. Okay. Let's compare that with Aerodrome. Okay. You can look here. The total value locked for Aerodrome is 581 million. Okay. Stader has more total value locked as compared to Aero, despite Aero is more expensive than Stader. You see where I'm going here? You also see which coin is overvalued and which coin is undervalued. That's all I wanted to let you know. Okay, hope you got that information. Now, let's move ahead. So, liquid staking, all right? So, Stader is a liquid staking protocol. If you look at their website on the top, it says liquid staking, best crypto staking platform of 2025, which is the cycle. Okay. Now, you can see assets staked, users, rewards paid, the networks that it supports. Ethereum. Okay, you can stake your Ethereum on Stader. You can stake Hedera on Stader. You can stake Polygon on Stader. You can even stake BNB on Stader. Now, explaining about the staking features is beyond the scope of this video, but you can click on stake now on their website, and how to get to their website just to ensure that you do not get to any fake websites. Always do it via CoinMarketCap. So when you go to CoinMarketCap, right, you would see here website. Okay, when you click on it, it should open you your Stader website. Okay, and you can see here the same website is open here. Okay, so always ensure that this is how you browse websites just to be safe from scam sites, especially during this phase of the bull market. All right. Now, so let's close this since we have discussed. By the way, you can also delegate data through SD pool. And since we're talking about Stader, so I'll let you know its APR. So its APR is around 9.46%. You can look here how many SD tokens have been delegated. Okay. So that was to give you some overview about the website. Um, what we discussed about partners, um, you can see here. Let's scroll down. Yeah. So you can look, if you scroll down, you would be able to see the same partners that I've discussed earlier. Okay. So it's even there on their website. If that is something of your interest, you can get this information here. Now, there was a recent announcement by SEC declaring crypto liquid staking activities are not considered securities anymore. Okay. Now, you can see this announcement has come in August the 5th, which is this month, around 11 days ago. Okay. And you can see um, Stader has been doing good. So on a daily chart is just barely trying to move up because the markets have gone down during the weekend. So it's just trying to move up. But if you look at the 7-day chart, it's up 5.76%. If you look at 1 month chart, it is up 72.98%. Okay. And if for subscribers who have subscribed to my channel, they would know that I had made a video on SD a month ago. Okay. A lot has changed in a month's time, right? Um, with the market dynamics as well, and with the coin as well as onboarding users, new information about the coins, different news from the team, and so on. So a lot of things have changed, right? But being early helps, and if you subscribe to my channel, you would get these videos on time, okay, rather than just checking the videos at your spare time. If you subscribe, you would get notified. So that is why it is extremely important to subscribe to my channel, and it would be even better to join the Airdrop Venture community. Okay, so let's move on, guys. Let's move on. So we have discussed about the total value locked between the two projects. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a market cap compare. So when I do a market cap compare between Stader and Aero, you can see here with current Aero's market cap, if SD reaches current Aero's market cap, it is going to be a 26.14x. Okay, just reaching Aero's current market cap. I'm not saying that just go along with Aero in this bull cycle because Aero might go up from here. But if SD just reaches Aero's current market cap, it is a 26.14x. Okay. Now let's take Aave as an example, which is one of the top coins in the market in the DeFi space. So SD to reach Aave's current market cap is close to 97.79x. Okay. Now, so I'm just trying to give you a range here. Okay. So the range where SD can go to, okay, is Aero's market cap or in between Aave's market cap. Now, there are other coins in the market as well, which are DeFi, like Osmosis. So even it's good to take this in the range, right? Because this is also a DeFi coin. So SD to reach Osmosis current market cap is a 2.84x from here, okay? Which is low, but it is still something that shows you SD is still undervalued as compared to other DeFi projects, okay? Right. So let's quickly close this. Now, if we see here, Osmosis, since I gave you that example, right? Let's check Osmosis price. Okay, it is 17 cents. Okay, so you would say, okay, it is less as compared to Stader. I might get more coins if I buy Osmosis, right? But look at the market cap, guys. It is 3 times higher as compared to Stader market cap. So always remember, it's not the price that you're buying the coin for. You think the multipliers are made. It is always the market cap, and the circulating supply, because that explains you how many coins are there in the market, what is its current market cap, where the coin can go to, okay? And even the volume per market cap ratio. Here, the demand of osmosis is quite low, right? So you can see this information here, and you can find out even though osmosis is at a low price as compared to SD, SD has far better chances in this market as compared to osmosis. Okay, so let's just move ahead. And also, the thing is with these big coins with major supplies, right? You can see here, you would have to probably, if you buy a coin with multi-billion dollars of investment in the market, they have unlocks, right? So you can see here Arbitrum, okay, Kaito, and all these coins have unlocked ZK, Ape, FTN, Eigen, IOTA, and you can see when these coins are getting unlocked, okay? So if you're buying a multi-billion coin, multi-billion market cap coin, A, you would need to keep yourself updated about these unlocks, okay? Because if the unlocks are more than the current supply, the price can go down significantly for a coin. Okay, not saying that unlocks are always bad. Okay, in some cases, unlocks might not have any impact. Okay, let's say if like a million coins are getting unlocked, it probably would have no impact on the price. Okay, but if a billion coins are getting unlocked, if billion coins are getting unlocked, yes, that then it might have some impact on the price of the coin, right? So that is why it is really important to know about the tokenomics, about unlocks, about the current price to keep yourself updated. Okay. Now let's look at the market analysis for SD and let's see what the market tells us. Okay. What's the market sentiment on SD as of today? So you can see here the the technicalities suggest a buy on SD. And this is not me, it is coming from TradingView. Okay, so everything, the oscillators are at neutral, but moving averages also suggests a buy on SD. Okay, so chances of SD to do well is high, right? Now let's discuss about a platform. So here you can see built with love by Stader. So let's discuss about a platform that has been created for meme coins that hit the market by Stader. Okay, you would see two feeds here. One is Degen feed and one is AI feed. Degen feed gives you the meme coins which have recently launched in the market. Okay, which are risky. All right, but you know the rewards might be much greater as compared to AI feed. Okay, not always, but you know, in in an aggregate, the rewards might be much greater than AI feed. Now, if you look at the smart money wallets, it tells you how many wallets are buying these coins. Okay. Now, explaining each and everything about this platform is beyond the scope of this video, but you can find videos on Cabbage on their YouTube channel. So do visit their YouTube channel to find all of this information. Okay. And you can see that you have an option to even connect your Solana wallet and trade these meme coins on this platform. Okay, so it's up to you guys what you want to do. But this is, as I said, this is just an informative video. Okay, you are solely responsible for anything that you do, anything that you trade. So just be careful of what exactly you're doing, right? Again, this is not a financial advice, as I said earlier. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it about Cabbage. And um, yeah, I think we have covered almost everything to do with Stata. I was just trying to see if I missed anything, but it looks like I haven't. So I have covered everything on Stata in this video. Just let me know, guys, Which coins are you invested in? Which coins do you think would do well in this bull cycle? Put them down in the comment section below. I would be reading the comments. And since it's an airdrop channel, if you feel that I've missed any airdrops, do write them down in the comment section below so that I would review those projects and see if it is suitable to make a video on those airdrops. All right. Much love, guys. Stay informed, stay safe, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the Telegram channel, Airdrop Venture. Cheers, guys. Have a good one. Bye for now.